Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, well, first of all, this is Aaron. He's back again. If you're familiar with him, if you're not, he is my husband. Today, we are going to be unboxing the box by Fashionsta. This is the second time that I'm getting this box. It is full of indie brand makeup. And hi, hello, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and what am I going to say?
And if you're not new, her name's still Jennifer. That wasn't what you were going to say.
I do unboxings and makeup related material, but as my channel name suggests, I am agoraphobic.
You do content related to agoraphobia.
I do.
Yeah.
And so if you're interested in any of those topics or all of those topics, I do
highly suggest.
Oh, my brain is not here today. I'm glad Aaron's here.
Poor
Highly
brain.
suggest that you keep your arm around me so I can't see the junk in the back. I suggest you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it off so that you are notified every time that I do upload a video. And so if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, again, this box is by Fashionsta. It is $25 or $24.99, something like that, $25 a month. And you get 5 full-size beauty products in it, and they are all from indie brands. And let's see what we got this month.
I'm still confused why it's Fashionsta, not Fashionista.
I don't know.
What's a Fashionsta?
And it comes with these things, which I hate those things. And somewhere in here, you're supposed to get... I didn't get a card this month. So I'm flying blind.
Working
1,
without
2,
a net
3,
here.
4, 5. I got 6 items, actually.
Well, they gave you another item instead of a card. Isn't that a nice one?
And the first thing I'm pulling out is something called Oh Wow Brush.
Wow. Cool.
And let's see what that is. It is shaped like this. And the little head comes off. And I'm not going to touch the bristles because I don't know if I'm going to keep this or put it in a giveaway. But I imagine it's some sort of foundation brush that you...
Scrub it in real good with.
Yeah, he's here to finish all my sentences for me. I don't know why it needs the little head doohickey here.
It's like one of those things you put on a toothbrush.
But it is by Kaylin. Read what it says on the back.
Simply put, this brush is an awe-inspiring, wow-inducing miracle. Through its velvet-like bristles and densely packed ultrafine fibers, this amazing brush is made to ensure an airbrushed effect with an immaculate streak-free touch. This brush features a dome, angular-shaped surface that is beautifully crafted to blend foundation, powder, cream, moisturizer, and primers seamlessly into your skin. The pointy tip is designed to fit perfectly underneath the eyes and helps contour your facial features. The sturdy, self-standing handle with a slip-off cap prevents bristles from germs, dirt, and dust, making this makeup tool the ultimate travel companion.
That's all it says.
And it just says the same thing again in bullet points.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I'm wowed. Are you wowed?
I'm kind of confused. Okay, the next thing I got is can barely be contained in its box.
It really wants to be here.
Wow, it is
Excited.
heavy. You could hurt someone with this. It is an illuminating. It's by Blue, Bleau, and it's an illuminating seaweed clay mask. Clarify, brighten, and balance.
Lots of clay, definitely. You could clock somebody in the head with that at 20 feet.
Okay, you read it about.
Reveal smooth and radiant skin with our illuminating seaweed clay mask. This unique blend helps brighten your skin, resulting in a natural, glowing complexion. Canadian glacial oceanic clay and acai
I don't know.
AK extract, and seaweed extract, which is rich in vitamin A to help in skin regeneration and stimulate microcirculation, leaving you with a smoother complexion. Rub your face in that seaweed.
Okay. So
And it would also make a paperweight. Really good paperweight, because it's heavy.
it is very heavy. Okay, so we got that, which is a clay mask. Then we got these. I think these are the extra thing. They are the cysteine, herbal collagen, X retina cherub eye masks. They're just one pair of eye masks in here. Can you read
So
about?
cherubs use them. Herbal collagen X-retinol cherub eye mask. Prep your palate. Cleanse and pat dry your face. Gently place the cherub jelly eye mask under each eye. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the mask and rub remaining serum under the eyes. Caution. This product is not intended for children. Keep out of reach of children if irritation occurs. Stop using rooms with clean water. All naturally derived ingredients. Paraben and sulfate free. No fragrances and no artificial coloring. And it has hyaluronic acid in it. I'm given to believe that that's good. And it also has Chondrus crispus powder, which I've not heard of, but it doesn't sound too bad. And glitter powder.
Glitter powder.
And phenoxyethanol. And PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil. That's my favorite.
So we got
It's
that.
got a lot of ingredients, which means it's got to do something.
Next is from Estate Beauty, which I've heard of. I've heard of it from Etsy. Etsy. It's called Just a Taste Mini Pigment Palette.
But how many is it? I want to see one where it's like that size, but it's like 10 by 10 colors.
Okay, now we're supposed to get full-size products here.
Yeah.
Is this my palette that I'm supposed
Yeah.
to get?
Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay.
So red.
That's what it looks like.
Are we mad at it?
I'm mad at
We're
it.
mad at it.
Because I'm supposed to get like a
We're-
full-size
We're
palette.
full of rage. Oh my god. Rage.
I like the orange and purple together.
Oh yeah, purple. Oh my god, purple.
Okay, stop it.
What? So what? Jeffrey, so red. Do you want to go shopping with me?
Because last time I got a full-size palette.
It was more full-sized.
Okay, here's another mini product by Kiss
Kiss and Smink.
Kiss and Smink.
Is that something we're supposed to do now? We're supposed to smink. I'm not up with all of these things.
Is there anything to read on there?
Made with 100 natural percent smink oil.
It looks like one of those.
I don't know.
Blush.
It has a lot of ingredients in it.
Looks like one of those blush and lip
Yeah.
things.
It has a lot of artificial colors in it. Vegan. No parabens. No phthalates. No gluten. Never tested on animals. And it's from Illinois. If that doesn't make you want it, I don't know what to say.
Okay, I'm going to put this in a
The
giveaway.
everything.
I'm going to put this in a giveaway.
And that way you can speak. whatever that is, y'all be able to do it.
And one thing I have in here is called Wickedly Divine.
Ow. Darling.
It is a, what is that? Say?
Smudge-proof eyeliner. That's a big package for an eyeliner. How big is this thing? Wow.
Whoa.
Big eyeliner.
Look at that. And is that the color of it?
I don't know. But dry out with that thing. Yeesh.
Yeah, that's the color of it.
Wow. That is huge.
Okay, somebody else might like this.
Coming at you.
It's like an glittery, a glittery green color.
It says the color is called Grindylow. That's like one of those little underwater monsters that's trying to get them in the lake when they're in Harry Potter. So it must be some folklore thing, some little critter.
So,
Bite you right in the eye.
tell me what you think about this.
This looks magical.
Is that something you'd like to see? And a giveaway? Let me know down below.
Hey, if you
So,
poke your eye out with it, don't blame us. We didn't make it.
so in this box, which I'm not that happy with, I got a Wickedly Divine.
What's this say? Just wing it. Life, eyeliner, everything.
It comes with a brush tip. It's the Wickedly Divine Smudge Proof, it says Smudge Proof eyeliner. The Kiss and Swink, I'm guessing it's
Snake.
Smink. Kiss and Smink, I'm guessing
Don't get those
it's
mixed up.
a lip and blush duo. We got the Estate
Maybe sminking is something you do with your cheek.
Mini Pigment Palette.
And it is mint.
We got the eye patches. We got the Oh Wow brush.
A lot of things you can whack or poke yourself in the face with.
And this I'm excited about is the blue Illuminating Seaweed Clay Mask.
And the size skull cracker.
Now, how did they have this?
You'll never figure it out.
And I'm mad that they didn't put a thing in the box.
Yeah. Now the thing, what are we supposed to do? We'll just make up stuff about it and make fun of them, right? Yeah.
So, I give this box a 2 out of 5, I would say.
Oh, she did it. She went there. She went there.
So, leave me a comment down below and let me...
You went there and you set up base camp.
Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this box. And give this a big thumbs up if you like this video.
And even if you didn't, we don't mind. Give it a thumbs up. Either way, right?
What?
Just give it a thumbs up. Liked it or not. Just, yeah.
No,
Please,
even if you didn't
please,
like it, give it a big thumbs up. And like
You
I
won't
said,
tell anybody.
please leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments. And yeah, that is it for this series of unboxings. Let me know anything, even if you just want to share how you're doing today. I'd love to hear that too.
Right.
And I hope you are having a great day today and a great weekend or a week whenever you are watching this. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and makes your day happy, and so that you can enjoy the rest of your weekend or the rest of your week. Like I said, whenever you're watching this, day and night, late night, early morning, whenever.
Far in the distant future.
And if you're having an especially hard time, just know that we're thinking of you and sending you the good vibes. And remember to stay strong. That is very important. And to stay healthy and to stay safe. And I will see you tomorrow. And Erin might be even in some of this week's videos. I don't know.
Who knows? Who knows when I'm going to pop up? I'm just there all of a sudden. You just have to deal with it.
Okay, and just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.